Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg, for those of you who do not know me. And in today's video, I'm doing an update on Gotbackup. And for those of you who may be landing on this video or on my channel for the first time, this is the video you see. Gotbackup is a network marketing opportunity that the product is digital data storage and backup. So what that means is you can protect all of your digital data on your computers, your phones, your laptops, your tablets, all in one place. And they literally give you 6 terabytes of space for $9.97 monthly. And that's absolutely huge. And every marketer, especially in everybody in daily life, should have digital backup nowadays because we live in a digital world. And Gotbackup has a great service for very inexpensive that can protect all of your digital data, because most people can relate to losing precious memories, photos, videos, work stuff. As a marketer, I lost all kinds of stuff because I've lost data on one of my computers and 2 phones where I literally lost very precious memories to myself for me, and pictures and videos of my kids and events and tons of marketing stuff that I had lost before digital backup was really a well-known thing, and that you could have it to protect all your devices, especially at the price that Gotbackup offers it at. So with that being said, I'm doing an update today for a couple of reasons. Number one is, they put out a great new advertising page that you'll find in your back office of Gotbackup if you're already a member. And this page is converting very, very well. We've been promoting Gotbackup ever since it launched in 2023. And we have literally been paid residual income ever since then. It was launched in January, February, March, April of 2023. And, this continues to be something that is in our portfolio of multiple income streams, because we do promote multiple things and we make money from multiple things. In fact, anything that we promote, we cannot ever stop promoting it because we are content marketers. We advertise all over the internet, and we literally get leads and sales on autopilot because of all of the content that we put out. And it's a wonderful thing because we can literally get sales and signups from a YouTube video or something else for years. And we have pieces of content like that bring us in repeated referrals and sales that we haven't touched but one time of a piece of content. And that's going to bring me to a couple other points. But the thing I wanted to make you aware of as well is my video series. Underneath any video you're watching, like this one right now, you can click on my name. It'll take you to my channel. But a lot of people watch my series. If I go to my home, this is what you would land on when you click on my name underneath any one of my videos. And you can see I've done series on some of the things that we do. And what's important about this update video is I did a series of, when Gotbackup first launched, how to make $100 a day online, the $9.97 easy business. And there are many people who are making over $100 a day online through Gotbackup. It is a program that just plain old works, and it's very inexpensive, and people love it. So with that being said, my video series, I show certain pages that I use to advertise, and there's people that, of course, still watch this series. And in this series of videos, I'm showing you advertising sources that we still use and how we go about marketing. But the first videos are going to acclimate you to pages that we used before, and now there's many more pages available, especially this new one. So I'm going to put this video in the front of this series as an update so that it starts the series with that update, because I really want people to know that throughout the series you have more options of what pages to advertise. So we have a full now lifestyle back office. We've been with the parent company, I have been for almost 20 years, or right around 20 years. And so we've been paid literally hundreds of thousands of dollars from this company We've had multiple accounts with them where my son has been paid through other accounts, and we have another Gotbackup account as well. This is our main one. And the thing about this is now there are new pages. They look different. Like this is the old tour page, but it looks new now because they redid it a while back. And in my series, you might not have seen this page look like this. And they've updated the main sales page for selling the service straight up. And people, this is a tour page about becoming, for making money plus selling the service. This is more of a retail page, so to speak, where people can go and just buy the storage, because in the digital backup, because 6 terabytes for $9.97 a month, $9.97 is unheard of in the industry. It's exceptional value. And you can literally have 6 accounts or 5 accounts for 6 separate accounts for your family. So if you got 5, 6 family members, they can all have an account where they back up their phones or whatever individually. And then you can see when you scroll down, your Gotbackup office will look different than this, but you will still have all these pages available to you. And here's the new one right here. And they also have a new trial. Get a 7-day free trial to the Gotbackup. Again, this is new as well. And I want to make you aware of these so that when you go through my series, How to Make $100 a Day Online, it will be at the beginning of it, so that you understand that there's more options of what pages you can use to advertise when you follow my how-to videos. And these are all screen share that show you how to do. And then I have another section here, Gotbackup, where I did some individual videos about Gotbackup in the beginning as well. And you got to realize that as time progresses, there's a lot of updates and exciting things that go on. And I haven't done a video in this series for a while. And so I really wanted to make everybody aware about this update. I'm also going to be doing a few other update videos on a few of the other programs we're promoting. Because the last thing I want to point out real quick is we are now selling our traffic to help our fellow teammates out in the few core programs that we are in. Plus, if you have anything else you want to advertise, you can buy a traffic package from us for too as well. Because our traffic literally comes from everything we do. And we are very successful in marketing online. And we generally always are at the top of the leaderboards in whatever we decide to be at the top of the leaderboards, because we know what we are doing and we can help you. And we can help you with duplication in your teams of whatever your favorite network marketing company is. Because let's face it, the biggest downfall for most people is they can't build a big enough team to make any real residual income, or they can't make enough sales. And the thing is, you can lean on us by buying a traffic package from us if you're in Gotbackup or any of the other things we talk about, or like I said, anything that you're involved with as affiliate marketing, network marketing, as long as it's in the make money online niche or make money niche, that helps people to make more money from the comfort of their home, their computer, and that traffic will help you duplicate, because that's the biggest struggle. And to get a huge downline, we've built teams of 30, 40, 50,000 before. To be able to do that, most people cannot sponsor people like that or bring in sales like that. They need help. And our traffic packages can help you to duplicate in your team, because maybe you know how to recruit and you can kill it, but maybe they don't, and they need something to be able to duplicate. Because if the math is crazy in any network marketing opportunity, if everybody in your team just can sponsor 2 to 4 people, the numbers will exponentially blow up. And having a great traffic source to be able to do that is imperative to that kind of growth, especially nowadays, because there are a lot of opportunities. And so that's where we can come in with our traffic. I'll leave a link, underneath this video, and a link to join Gotbackup. And you might see a few different links in there, because we are advertising literally for other people. We are building duplication. That's imperative. Spillover, you're not looking to join opportunities so you can get a spillover, Spillover is something that if you get some, great, but it don't work like that. You want duplication. Duplication is what will bring hordes of members underneath of you and in your downline. That is the key to success in network marketing. Everybody goes sponsor shopping and new launches and stuff like that, and they make the biggest mistake, and they sit there and they never make any money because some of these programs promise that you're going to make all this money through just sitting there doing nothing, and you're going to get all this spillover. And the chances with that are next to nothing. You know, some people get a few, but you're not going to make anything because the spillover pays the least amount of money. It's in the matching checks and everything like that that pay the big bucks. And if you can't sponsor nobody, you're not going to make any money. So I really want you to understand that. We promote for other people their links so they can get personal signups, personal sales. How do we do that? We sell our traffic. We break it up into chunks because we have so much of it, and we sell it at very low cost to people where you literally will get traffic every single day. And that's what our traffic packages are involved with. You're not buying clicks. You're buying visitors that are going to come in every single day. We have a 30-day package. It's like $97 a month, and that means you get traffic every single day. Then we have a yearly package where you save like $600 off buying it monthly. Those are the only two packages we have. And when you do that, you're getting traffic every single day for 365 days in a year. And so this will aid you in building your business. It won't do it all, but it's going to aid you in building your business. But I will leave a link in the description underneath this video so you can buy traffic from us and you can have your team duplicate and buy traffic, because when you have that, then you can build a real empire. So I wanted to make you aware of these things with the Gotbackup and these updates, and I will put this again at the front of the video series, and just click on more underneath this video and you can find the links. And join us in Gotbackup if you haven't, one of our team members, because we literally are advertising for other people. So other than that, my friends, have a great day, and we'll see you on another video.